Hi there, it's Alexandra with WTI, and one amazing oil that I have had the privilege of trying and doing some research on is flaxseed oil. And I love this flaxseed oil by the brand Now because it is cold pressed and unrefined, and also because it is an amazing source of omega 3s. So if you're a person who is vegan or personally does not want to get their omega 3s directly from fish, this is an amazing option because basically you would be getting vegetarian omega 3s. And I love to take this flaxseed oil by mixing it with some vegetable juice. So the serving size is of 1 tablespoon. So usually what I do is I take 1 tablespoon and mix it with my vegetable juice and drink it. Something else that I love about this flaxseed oil is that apart from having amazing benefits, it does not have a bad taste. So I can get all those great benefits of flaxseed oil without suffering, which is probably the best part. And that is my point of view.